can't hear anything. I got so much in my mind. Sadness, depression, and God, but I can still hear a lot of things in my mind. Like me crying my mind and things. Ocean waves everywhere, I can still see. Yeah, it kinda hurts when I see, cause I don't like, yeah, I'm kinda forcing myself, yeah. I'm an adult now, well, not kinda, you know why. I'm a teenager now, and I have a think of my life, yeah. Ocean waves every beach I go, I can't take it no more. I just want to be like a normal person, you know. I don't wanna be me anymore. It's fucking